In some cases, the chatbot might not understand the requests made by your users. For example, because you haven't included the information your customers are looking for within your knowledge base, as shown in the video. The Crafter.ai platform helps you by highlighting these misunderstandings in the Improve section. Once the error is detected, you have several actions to take. You can associate the misunderstood request with an existing question in your knowledge base, or you can add a new topic, such as a new subject, to your knowledge base. At this point, all that's left to do is retrain, test the chatbot to see if the modification has been correctly understood by the bot, and then update the chatbot online. From this moment on, the chatbot will be able to respond to the user's request.